Hello. Hi guys. How are you? We are walking
Today.
to it.
This is
The bus stop. Chatinari makuwa kana masokara. Neta Tobias kuti wabona video ya Tobias uriwe kamuswati taura ya huku kumboti ari gendinodza maini kuti maini mama ndinofira chitondora huku bota rikari kwagogo ati gogo koma udzwere kumbe kurikuri huku kwese kwaunongoshera rungochingodaro
ndianangane chipiuta pamuromo
ndiye Tobias
vavaijaso huku so
ndiyeye
handiyamboona video rake kawanda
anakidza zvokuti. So guys, how are you? It's a very good day for me, for us, for all of us,
for me,
for Tatenda too. Guys, we are very happy. We are walking right now to the bus stop where we are going to fetch, where we are going to get transport to town for our friends. Oh, fetch transport. Chirungu chombera chitisa kashamwa. Unotozoti wataura utozofunga kana kuti uchirifedza mavideo ozofunga. Kuti but I should have said it so.
Transport yakuita ngemvura.
Wazvona manje. So guys, we are going now to fetch the guys who are going to install our fence for us at number 16 Lytton Road, Harare. Guys, the company that we're going to use is called Mandi. Is it Mandi Wires or Mandi Wiring? Mandi Wires, that's it?
That makes more sense.
So the reason why we've chosen that company, guys, is they are using a galvanized wire. The wires they're going to use, the wires they use are galvanized wires. That is why we chose them.
What does that mean?
Thank you for asking, Tadin. Can you see this fence?
Yeah.
You see it as rust already. Sometimes most wires that I've seen, sometimes most wires that I've seen, it can be installed like this. Within a year or two, rust has started. Because vamwe fake. So that is why we chose them.
No, so there's a wood.
No, we don't want wood. We don't want wood.
In zinc to prevent rust.
Not many people are coating, and then they coat in that silver nigirikini, so that they look real, they look silver, they look original. And the ones we are going to use won't be painted. Nothing will be painted there.
So it's pure zinc.
It's pure galvanized. I don't know if I'm making sense.
So
haitengura.
So what are wrong, man?
The guys are going to be two, according to what they told us. They said there will be two guys. Yeah.
How long do you think it will take?
They said 2 days. Because it's already late. You see, we went there late. So by the time we come with them, maybe it's evening already, maybe it's 3 already. So maybe they will not even start today, they'll start tomorrow.
So I'm asking you this worry.
Shashka to offload. I remember they will offload. But I have a feeling that they will do something today. They will do everything, Taten. They do everything themselves. The only thing they need from us is water. We forgot to refill water, but that's one thing they told us that they need from us.
Yeah,
we always knew about it, but I don't know how we forgot.
Tired. So okay. What bucket to it?
But it 2 to 4 buckets. And then when they need more, we fetch again. I'm very happy, guys. Today is the day we've been praying for since I moved to the village. Talenda. This thing is going to give me peace of mind. It's going to fulfill me with happiness.
Yeah.
And I'm also seeing the power of God because, it's something I never knew I would afford.
That's a big one.
A very big one.
Don't try in the lake.
A very big one. Guys, it's hot here. It's hot. And we are wearing sleeveless. I'm wearing a sleeveless.
In the sunscreen.
It's not grand, guys. For those who don't know, guys, this is my son. My last born.
Hopefully last born.
Hopefully not, guys. I still have hope in my I still have hope that God will give me a daughter. I'm still praying for a daughter, guys. That is the only truth.
There are advantages which come with being the last born, like certain
Not even certain. I swear there's nothing like that.
Hey.
Do you think I treat you better than Tino?
That's debatable. Even if you have not, but I think
no. You know why? Why you think so? Sometimes as children, you put yourselves in a space on how you want to be treated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you
Tinotenda addresses himself as an adult.
Okay.
And he decided to move to your home, which is not a problem to me. But if someone is away, there are certain things I will not consider. I will just assume he's covered. Because remember, he's with your aunties, Anna Jenny, your niece, So I just assume he's covered. Unlike when he's here. Okay. Even if he was here, it was going to be the same. That's what I think.
Okay. So my review. I'd be home.
Just praying that we get a bus. Hey, hada. Iyo. Di kule mundani manyoda rin.
I do right.
Huh?
And you do
Shamari. Kule mundani manyoda rin so.
Yeah, I do it's not traffic.
Ayo. So we are already at our bus stop. This is where we get our transport. I was wishing, huh?
I don't think sunscreen is wishing.
Yes, Wakauma.
It's hard.
And I don't feel like I keep Karachi.
I'm nigga sunny. That you miss.
And I do miss.
Different road you can.
Where I miss.
No.
Nation will show it him so just said we. Oh, you make it.
Snakes have been that stage. Night time back food on the phone.
Guys, it's a very hot. It's actually burning.
That's the way they tell my fires.
My fires, Shirudi?
My fires.
Construction vehicle.
I don't see my chain reactions.
Oh, okay. What is that?
Chain reactions. You have a series of events or reactions happening continuously because it was started by an initial.
No, explain. Explain, okay.
When a motor pana bandit. Dabaza motor ni. Dawisa baji pa uswa. Uswa obvira. Unaleta na oil obvira. Unaleta na chi ya chain reactions like. Yeah, start connection 1.
Okay.
Saka sana guitar and just where they go. We're gonna start
Oh, okay. That's what if it's very hot. Sometimes kana pakaita kana pane magnificent glass nomazia. Those magnificent glasses. It's a type of a glass whereby ukatadza paziso pazuva udeso. Rakarohwa nezuva, it can create fire pana pasi. You can't know everything, my guy. It doesn't even need a second. What I saw it so. Guys, I got hit here yesterday. I cut myself yesterday when we were preparing. No, I was blowing my hands.
Oh, okay.
Hapana ungotadza uzvode. Ukatadza uzvode so rakatasa pauri unotokupisa. But it creates fire.
Trigger like.
It's the sun. It's the reaction of the sun.
So more like soda, buddy.
But no, a plain, clear glass, no color, clear. No, it depends now. Can you see? So if I not remote, I think it's still. Yeah, you have to cover it.
I'm learning.
And there's also a way that people used to create fire before there was matches. Oh, you know, I did it. Which school is this today? School is?
I think you're
Hi, Oasis.
See what I see.
I should pair up a grade for you.
Oh, I'm going to get it.
I walked on Guftaura.
Real deep. Kanda kimba. Iru sado. Kanda.
Don't say Kanda.
Huh?
What am I using? Kanda. Oh, I got him. Koshkana. I shall find out no. I pinga.
I'm better for every day.
Mambara. Okay. I got no much.
Mas good days.
Okay. Guys, I'm happy. That is the good news we brought today, that we are going to fetch our fans. So we'll show you guys when we are almost there, and we are there. And also the whole process when they start to fix our fans. If you guys have got questions, kindly ask so that I can ask them. Because I think they'll stay for maybe 2 days. I think they'll stay for 2 days. So on those 2 days, if you've got questions or anything, ask me or comment with your questions and then I'll ask them.
So I don't do something. So I'm going to go.
Come on, Mavali. The bedroom dikra na mama Fali.
Huh?
The bedroom dikra na mama Fali. Tanda risi baziro.
Come on.
Ha. Ushakura utade na mama. Aris.
As it.
Shakura utade. Guys, uze umone yuta shakura. Tatindaka. Kwana transport ukuenda pasekeka tochidula chitu.
Pasekendo.
Tonze misate padema. And then kana iri bus totongokwira town. Mwari kata kudo mota yedu. Anditi?
Ndakuno drive.
Ndakudo mota yedu. Tachenda pakasanganisa chinechi chori uchitsenga mwanangu. Mbondutsaudzawo vanhu chokuti utsenga chinechi.
Kana ndikutsenga zvisikawanda.
Utsenga chi.
Ndatsenga dent.
Okay, chinechi chiri muromo mako.
Ndikufareza to speak besaya.
So tachenda. anga ine toothpick paside. That's the dzengaje.
Zvinoma.
Zvinoma kupi?
Vanambozvita.
Aiwa, iwori vanhu mwanangu.
Vanambozvita.
Aiwa,
Akanambozvita.
Aiwa, ndizvo zvino.
Kana mwako kune babwa.
Aiwa. Kwani ndinoma wakatatenda.
Ore zvamufana kudai.
Ndinoma.
Nomwako wakaisa chingo. Like mona.
Kutasei?
Kudya sadza nenyama kokune chingo.
Aiwa, saka iyi combination yechikafu. It's a combination of food. Ko zvauri kudya combination yechikafu.
My point is kuita zvinhu tunkanwa siweti and toothpick.
Kwata kuti kuita zvinhu tunkanwa. Kuisa toothpick nechewing gum.
Kondikutsenga toothpick.
Bye guys.